HRBL, a dream comes true. It was in 1918 when HRBL, Haveli Ram Bansilal, was established. The company's endeavors in paints, powder coatings, plating, phosphating, chemicals and allied product businesses slowly gained speed. It deals in complete paint system for general industries, two-wheelers, automotive industries, steel industries. HRBL Group operates with three business verticals, that is, paints and allied products trading business, paints manufacturing business, and paint coating application business. HRBL Group has pan-India presence. Its group's infrastructure is situated in Ludhiana, Punjab, Gurgaon, Haryana, Haridwar, Uttarakhand, Patna, Bihar, Agra, Uttar Pradesh and Ahmedabad, Gujarat, though its roots are in Punjab. But company also has its manufacturing units across northern India, one in the neighboring state, Haryana, Alpha Kotak Industries, specializing in job work for components facilities, liquid painting, powder coating, anti-friction coating, full automatic cathode, electro-deposition CED, and fluidized bed coating, etc. This unit, Alpha Kotak, was established in 2005, and since then, its growth story has several resounding achievements. In 2008, Alpha Kotak was given an ISO 9001 quality certificate. In the same year, its powder coating plant was also set up. 2009 saw the coming of cathodic electro-deposition plant, and same year, fluidized bed coating facility also came into existence. The second unit, that is, Eurodec Paints, came into existence in the year 2010. Eurodec Paints has found a special place in public conscience. The name of Eurodec itself represents the quality associated with it. In this company, it is manufacturing specialty coatings, industrial coatings, powder coatings and thinners. In terms of quantity, Eurodec manufactures 36 lakh liters of paint and 60 lakh liters of thinner annually. Eurodec production facilities spread over thousands of square feet, well equipped with latest automatic and semi-automatic production machinery. A well-trained production staff keep it in top form at all times. The storage area play a vital role in any modern-day establishment. Eurodec finished and raw material storage is in modern storing system spread over thousands of square feet. This facility also make company proficient to handle excessive production from time to time. Eurodec caters to all two-wheelers, OEM and their ancillaries, bicycle industries, steel industries and GI, general industries, etc. Eurodec's tradition has firm roots in customizing its products as per client specifications. Their reliable quality, the timely delivery and its good after-sales service across India. Eurodec's belief in constant improvement of its products and services led to the formation of its R&D division, which is situated in an area of thousands of square feet. An experienced and dedicated team of specialists are always on the job. The R&D unit has at its disposal most modern and updated testing facility equipment, spectrophotometer for color matching, salt spray tester, accelerated weathering tester, QUV, gloss meter, DFT thickness meter and other general instruments. As a result, its finished goods are consistently checked before it reaches its customer. The lush green surroundings of Eurodec campus also has state-of-the-art water harvesting, most modern firefighting equipments and several other eco-friendly facilities. As per these standards, the carbon footprint is reduced by leaps and bounds, making not only the surrounding atmosphere clean but also has a soothing effect on the mind and spirit of the workers. The place is a sight for sore eyes. The views and remarks of its customers play equally important part in all Eurodec preparations. So while counting its USP, this can easily be deduced that a dedicated team is always on the lookout for new solutions. It supplies and reacts to customers' demands in short time. Small stock production and cost competitiveness are other salient features of Eurodec constant advancement. HRBL is writing new chapters of growth with quality consciousness and a sight on future advancements. while painting the future with myriad colors of hopes and aspirations.